Oh yeah. Help. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome to my garage. Today I'm starting to work on replacing the heater core on my Golf Mk4. The heater core most likely has a leak, and also I'm going to restore the blend doors because all the foam came off them and blew out through the air vents. And this is quite a big job because we need to pull the entire dashboard to get to the HVAC module where the heater core and the blend doors are located. I've never done anything like this before and I'm not a mechanic, so I have no idea how it's going to go and how long it's going to take. So let's see. I've already degassed the car because we need to disconnect the AC lines here. So yeah, I took the car to a shop and they evacuated all the refrigerant from the AC system. Because you may know, you cannot just release refrigerant into the atmosphere. It's illegal, it's bad for the environment and it's not safe. Also, we're going to disconnect the airbags, but before doing that we need to disconnect the battery and wait about 30 minutes. So let's do that first, and then we'll start removing the dashboard. Guys, it's freaking cold outside. It's -4 at the minute. My hands are freezing. This thing unfortunately doesn't help much, but I don't want to drive around in a cold car for 2 more months, you know, so let's get this done.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere go run and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere go run and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new.
Good morning, guys. Yes, it's a new day. I haven't done a lot yesterday. All I've done is I removed the glove box and also the front part of the central console. I've also removed the shift knob, as you can see. I believe removing the shift knob isn't necessary for this job, but the shift boot, as you can see, is quite worn out and I'm going to replace it anyway, so that's why I removed it as well. Alright guys, let's continue.
Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. But somewhere go run and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere go run and hide, looking for a new start, for a new this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Looking for a
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go run and hide. Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful frosty day here in Poland. And actually, I'm pretty happy with yesterday's progress. I have done a lot, at least for me, it was quite a lot. And I didn't even break anything so far. Today I hope I'll finally be able to remove the dashboard, so let me show you what's left. So in order to remove the dashboard I need to unscrew the fuse panel here, unplug a few connectors here and there. Also I need to remove this piece here, and also I need to take off that small side panel over there, and of course unscrew the entire dashboard and finally pull it out. I think I should be able to remove the dashboard with the climate control panel still connected, because there are quite a few cables there and I'd really prefer not to disconnect it. Yeah, but we'll see. Alright guys, enough talking, let's get to it. Oh yeah, finally. Guys, I think that was the last bolt and we are ready to pull the dashboard out. Okay, it seems like nothing holding it on the passenger side, but on the driver's side I'm not 100% sure. Okay. Right, one more piece of plastic. Oh yeah. Guys, we did it. I need somebody to help me. Oh. Oh. Help. Oh yeah. Ooh. Guys, the dashboard is finally out. Whew. Look at all those parts. You know, I tried to be as organized as possible. All the bolts are kept with their respective parts. But I can already imagine what a nightmare it's going to be to put it all back together. Crazy. Alright guys, I think we'll wrap it up for this video. In the next one I'll continue and I'll try to finish this job. Today is Thursday and I really need to get it done by Tuesday next week. I really hope I'll be able to do this. Guys, if you enjoyed watching this, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.